This is a quick walkthrough on how to download your federal student loan data file from StudentAid.gov. We will cover desktop first, then mobile. On a desktop or laptop, open your browser and go to StudentAid.gov. In the upper right corner of the page, you will see a login link. Click it. On the login screen, enter the email address or username you used when you registered with StudentAid.gov. For most people, this is your personal email address. Then click Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and click Login. StudentAid.gov uses two-step verification. Choose whether you want the secure code sent to your phone or your email, then click Send Code. When the code arrives, enter it into the box and submit. Once you are logged in, you will land on your dashboard. Look at the green sub-navigation bar near the top of the page and click My Loans. This is your My Loans page. In the upper right corner, next to the last updated date, you will see a link that says Download My Aid Data. Click it. StudentAid.gov will show a short disclosure telling you it is about to download your text file. Click Continue. Your browser will save a text file called MyStudentData.txt. That is the file we need. The file looks long and unintelligible when you open it. That is normal. Our software reads it and pulls out the information we need for your next steps. You have two ways to send it to us. Email the file to your caseworker or upload it directly inside the Hope Hero app. Either way, we will receive it. The steps look slightly different on a phone. Here is the mobile walkthrough. On your phone, open your browser and go to StudentAid.gov. The login link is hidden inside the menu at the top of the page. Tap Menu, then tap Login. Enter your email address and tap Continue. Enter your password and tap Login. Choose where you want the two-step verification code sent, type the code into the box, and submit. You will land on your dashboard. Tap the menu button, then tap My Loans. You will see your My Loans page with a Download My Aid Data link near the top. Tap it. Tap Continue on the disclosure. Your phone will download the file and show you a confirmation that it has saved. From your phone, you have the same two options. Open your email app, attach the file from your Downloads folder, and send it to your caseworker, or upload it directly inside the Hope Hero app. Either way works. That is it. If you run into trouble at any step, reach out to your caseworker, and we will walk through it with you.